So far, Crystal, we've got number one, what is the title of their business? Is their title, does it match up with what the Secretary of State records say? Number two, the address. Do a search on Google, find out if it's actually, Street View, if business is actually there. But what else is there that you look at?
Another thing we can do a search for is the phone number. So for here, this phone number is just, it's, how do I explain that it's spammy though, Ryan? Because this phone number is obvious that it's not attached to a business name just by looking at this information. But really what the best way to do is to pick up the phone, dial it and call it and see what business name is said when the business answers.
Yeah. And so in this example, the phone number actually did match up with the business. So it is showing up on the business. Now the next step is to call the number like Crystal said, because it still might be a forwarding number to another property management company that's not does not have the name Manhattan Property Management. So just like with, there's different levels of address verification. One is you copy the address from the Google My Business page, you put it in the search bar on Google, and you look on the street map and you see if that company's there. Another level deeper is just like calling the company. You go by and you send somebody out there and you see, you verify, boots on the ground, and that company is at that address. If they're not, you've got to have you've got to have verification with a video or a photo to submit to Google in order to verify that company is not at that address. And this is why it's really helpful for our local businesses that we work with to help us with this, because these guys typically know where their competitors are located. They typically know where their competitors are located, and they know exactly what their address is. So they can say, no, they're not at that location. And that, therefore, it just makes it easier for us to commit to going and sending somebody out to take a video and or photos to verify it and get that company suspended and to get them deleted. So some of this is real legwork, but it's worth it though, because these companies, if it's not stopped, a lot of phone calls are going to be diverted away from your business. It'd be really important for people to know if they want to get more information, they can work with us, and we, we've got a membership site. We make it very, very economical to work with us. It's $59 a month for people to work with us. And we've got a free case study here that Crystal's showing on her screen that you can get access to, that's constantly updated. And we're even offering, for the first month, is just $1 membership to get access to Crystal and I 4 times a month on a Zoom call just like this. I mean, that's unheard of. We just want to help more companies understand how this is happening, so that the right companies can be served up on Google and be represented correctly in the search results, so that you're able to help more people. We want to match up good businesses with the people that are out there. And so that's what we're here to do. And we've been doing this for, over a decade. And on this, all you got to do is just click the blue button in order to get the membership offer. And it's just $1 offer. And you can cancel at any time, 29-day offer. And we'd love to help you. I mean, let us know what questions you have, and, we will, answer any questions you have. You can put any comments below this video, and then also, text or email us, and we'll answer your questions. All right, thanks.